30 Unbelievable Facts You Don't Know About Jackie Chan. 1. Chan Kong Sing was born April 7, 1954. 2. He was born in British Hong Kong, as Chan Kong Sing, to Charles and Li Chan, refugees from the Chinese Civil War. 3. His mother or parents nicknamed him Pow Pow Chinese, Cannonball, because the energetic child was always rolling around. 4. His parents worked for the French ambassador in Hong Kong, and Chan spent his formative years within the grounds of the consul's residence in the Victoria Peak district. 5. Jackie Chan attended the Na Hua Primary School in Hong Kong Island, where he failed his first year, after which his parents withdrew him from the school. 6. In 1960, his father emigrated to Canberra, Australia, to work as a head cook for the American Embassy, and Chan was sent to the China Drama Academy, a Peking opera school run by Master Yu Jinyuan. 7. Jackie Chan trained rigorously for the next decade, excelling in martial arts and acrobatics. 8. He eventually became part of the Seven Little Fortunes, a performance group made up of the school's best students, gaining the stage name Yuen Lo in homage to his master. 9. Jackie Chan became close friends with fellow group members Sammo Hung and Yuen Piao, and the three of them later became known as the Three Brothers or Three Dragons. 10. After entering the film industry, Chan along with Sammo Hung got the opportunity to train in Hapkido under the Grandmaster Jin Pao Kim, and Chan eventually attained a black belt. 11. Jackie Chan also trained in other styles of martial arts such as karate, judo, taekwondo, and jeet kune do. 12. He began his career by appearing in small roles at the age of 5 as a child actor. 13. At age 8, he appeared with some of his fellow Little Fortunes in the film Big and Little Wong Tin Bar, 1962, with Li Hua playing his mother. 14. Jackie Chan appeared with Li again the following year, in The Love Turn, 1963, and had a small role in King Hu's 1966 film Come Drink With Me. 15. In 1971, after an appearance as an extra in another kung fu film, A Touch of Zen, Chan was signed to Chu Mu's Great Earth Film Company. 16. At 17, he worked as a stuntman in the Bruce Lee films Fist of Fury and Enter the Dragon under the stage name Chan Yuen Long. 17. He received his first starring role later that year in Little Tiger of Canton that had a limited release in Hong Kong in 1973. 18. In 1975, due to the commercial failures of his early ventures into films and trouble finding stunt work, Chan starred in a comedic adult film All in the Family in which Chan appears in his first nude sex scene. 19. It is the only film he has made to date without a single fight scene or stunt sequence. 20. Jackie Chan later also appeared in one other sex scene, in Shinjuku Incident. 21. Jackie Chan joined his parents in Canberra in 1976, where he briefly attended Dixon College and worked as a construction worker. 22. A fellow builder named Jack took Chan under his wing, thus earning Chan the nickname of Little Jack that was later shortened to Jackie, and the name Jackie Chan has stuck with him ever since. 23. In the late 1990s, Chan changed his Chinese name to Fong Xiaolong, since his father's original surname was Fong. 24. In 1976, Jackie Chan received a telegram from Lily Chan, a film producer in the Hong Kong film industry who had been impressed with Jackie's stunt work. 25. Willie Chan offered him an acting role in a film directed by Lo Wei. Lo had seen Chan's performance in the John Woo film Hand of Death, 1976, and planned to model him after Bruce Lee with the film New Fist of Fury. 26. His stage name was changed to Sing Lung, literally become the dragon, to emphasize his similarity to Bruce Lee, whose stage name meant Little Dragon in Chinese. 27. The film was unsuccessful because Chan was not accustomed to Lee's martial arts style. 28. Despite the film's failure, Lo Wei continued producing films with similar themes, but with little improvement at the box office. 29. Jackie Chan's first major breakthrough was the 1978 film Snake in the Eagle's Shadow, shot while he was loaned to Seasonal Film Corporation under a two-picture deal. 30. Director Yuen Woo-ping allowed Chan complete freedom over his stunt work. The film established the comedic kung fu genre, and proved refreshing to the Hong Kong audience.